congratulations on your new home. Real nice place you have here.
Our first place, honey, isn't it beautiful?
It is.
Don't worry about the 10% interest rate, the 5 points you paid me up front, or the prepayment penalty.
What?
I don't remember seeing that in the papers.
It's all right here. That's your signature, isn't it?
We never agreed to that.
Red Rooster, come in.
Who is that? Who are you talking to?
What's that?
What?
Satellite
What?
dish?
What?
Oh!
Don't let this happen to you. At First Trust Financial, we offer the lowest rates and fees possible for your home financing. If you're looking to purchase a home, we'll get you pre-approved, browsing house listings, and set up with an honest, experienced realtor within 24 hours of your first phone call. So go ahead, give us a call today and get the peace of mind you deserve. Don't let your mortgage company get away with this.
They come to pay the rooster. Suckers come to pay the rooster. Suckers come to pay the rooster. Suckers come to pay the rooster.
Give us a call today. It's worth knowing that you received the best possible service and lowest rates available for your home. First-time homebuyers, don't miss out on the $8,000 government tax credit for homes purchased before December 1st of 2009. Please check with your accountant for details.